technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
Well, viewers, first up on the bulletin. Rahul Gandhi and the Congress Party often project themselves as the saviors of the Samvidhan. They proudly carry a copy of the Constitution wherever the cameras follow them. But for all their grand claims, their actions often fail to match their words. Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge has found himself at the center of controversy after a video surfaced showing him insulting a poor farmer. In this video that you can see on your screens, the farmer shares his distress about the possible destruction of crops in his 4 acres land. Instead of offering sympathy or any support, Mallikarjun Kharge shockingly dismisses the farmer's plight. He compares it to his own, claiming that instead of the 4 acres that the farmer has lost, he has faced losses across 40 acres. And if that wasn't bad enough, Mallikarjun Kharge goes on to label the farmer's heartfelt plea for help as mere publicity. Watch this for yourself.
ನಂದು ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ವರ್ಷ ನನಗೇನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಅದೇನು 6 ಆಡದವಳು ಮುಂದೆ 3 ಆಡದವಳು ಮುಂದೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಗೊತ್ತದ, ಪಬ್ಲಿಸಿಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಬರಬೇಡ. ನನಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ. ಹೆಸರು ಹೋಗ್ಯದ, ಉದ್ದು ಹೋಗ್ಯದ, ತೊಗರಿ ಹೋಗ್ಯದ. ನೀನು ಸಸ್ಟೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಸ್ಟೇನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಷ್ಟಿಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾದಾಗ ಬಿತ್ತು ಮೋದಿ ಶಾಕ್ ಕೇಳಿ ತೊಗರಿ.
Well, Mallikarjun Kharge's insensitive behavior has understandably now sparked off widespread criticism from his political rivals. Well, the BJP has seized this latest episode to expose what it calls the Congress Party's real mindset. Well, the JDS has also lashed out at the Grand Old Party, accusing it of treating farmers as if they were mere talking points, used only in speeches and election manifestos. Well, in response, the Congress Party has stood by its chief, turning the blame back onto the BJP, labeling it as the truly anti-farmer party. Watch this war of words.
किसानों का अपमान यही कांग्रेस पार्टी की पहचान। कांग्रेस ने हमेशा किसानों को अपमानित किया है, उनके साथ अन्याय किया है। आज खड़गे जी ने इसका एक परिचय दिया। जब एक किसान खड़गे जी के पास पहुंचा और अपना क्रॉप लॉस दिखाने लगा, तो खड़गे जी ने उसे ताना मारते हुए, फटकारते हुए, धिक्कारते हुए कहा कि क्या क्रॉप दिखा रहे हो, ये पब्लिसिटी करने आए हो, मेरा नुकसान तुमसे ज्यादा हुआ है। ये है मानसिकता कांग्रेस की किसानों के प्रति। इन्होंने किसानों को उनका अधिकार कभी नहीं दिया। इन्होंने स्वामीनाथन कमीशन रिपोर्ट को लागू नहीं किया। इन्होंने हमेशा किसानों के अधिकारों पर हनन किया और केवल किसान ही नहीं, ये सेना का भी अपमान करते हैं। और देखिए, बिहार के लोगों को बीडी से तुलना कर दी।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी तो शुद्ध रूप से, विशुद्ध रूप से सदा विरोधी रही है किसानों की, आज भी है। तो जहां तक खरगे साहब का सवाल है, खरगे साहब ने बहुत स्पष्ट कहा है कि आप सबकी समस्याएं इनसे समाधान नहीं हो रही है। वो तो भरपूर प्रयत्न कर रहे हैं, बार बार उसे दोहराने की जरूरत नहीं और इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं। खरगे साहब ने चाहे राज्यसभा रही हो, चाहे लोकसभा रही हो, चाहे मंच रहा हो बाहर का, हमेशा किसानों की आवाज उठाई है और वो सबसे बड़े किसानों के समर्थक हैं।
Well, let me go across to Niyamika, who's joining us. Niyamika, it's very surprising. Mallikarjun Kharge is one of the most veteran, most experienced parliamentarians of the country. For him to lash out at someone who was making an SOS call, and farmer making an SOS call, calling it a publicity stunt. Why?
Well, this is a very shocking statement coming in on the part of the Congress president, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, as he was having a meeting with the people there in the state of Karnataka, where a farmer had come to him with his problems, with his concerns because of the farm loss which he had faced recently. But on the other side, the reaction which is coming in on the part of the Congress president, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, has raised a lot of questions, because he he has not just termed it as a publicity stunt, but he has also stated that even he himself has also faced a lot of loss as he is comparing his own situation with that poor farmer, because that particular person, that farmer, was saying that he has lost 4 acres of land, 4 acres of land crops. But on the other side, it is Mallikarjun Kharge who has come out in open, and he has stated that his loss is for 40 acres. So this kind of a comparison is quite shocking, and that is the only reason why the BJP has also got an opportunity to question the mindset of the Congress party. The BJP is continuously attacking the Congress president, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, saying that it shows the anti-farmer mindset of the Congress party, because on one side they always say that we are fighting for the welfare of this country, we are fighting to safeguard the constitution, but on the other side, when it is the people of this country who comes to them to raise their own concerns, to share their own problems, then this kind of a reaction comes in from the Congress top party's top leaders, because it is the Congress president and he is the high command of the party, and if he is making such kind of statement, then it raises a lot of questions, because on the other side, it is the Congress party who is justifying his stand. They are, instead of stating anything about Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, they are saying that it is firstly upon the BJP to show their own opinion, because they have been continuously anti-farmers, the kind of decisions which have been taken by the government of India, but it doesn't justifies what Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge has said. Absolutely. Because it is a clear insult which he has made to that particular farmer who had come to him for any kind of help or anything, even if he had shown some kind of concern for the kind of a problem, the kind of a loss he has faced, that would also have been very much acceptable. But the manner in which he has made this statement and calling it a publicity stunt is quite unfortunate and shocking.
In fact, even as we speak, we saw that moment, we are playing out the moment when Rahul Gandhi himself walked into the fields wearing socks. He wanted to reach out to the farmers, and on the other hand, you have the way that the Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge himself dismisses a farmer's plea for help as publicity. It's important for our viewers to again watch that entire sequence as Mallikarjun Kharge dismisses a farmer in distress.
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ನೀ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಕರೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಿ? 4 ಎಕರೆ. ನಂದು 40 ಎಕರೆ. ನಂದು ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿ. ನನಗೇನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಅದೇನು 6 ಆಡದವಳು ಮುಂದೆ 3 ಆಡದವಳು ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಗೊತ್ತದ. ಪಬ್ಲಿಸಿಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಬರಬೇಡ. ನನಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ. ಹೆಸರು ಹೋಗ್ಯದ, ಉದ್ದು ಹೋಗ್ಯದ, ತೊಗರಿ ಹೋಗ್ಯದ. ನೀ ಏನು ಸಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ನಮಗೆ ಸಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಷ್ಟಿಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾದಾಗ ಬಿತ್ತು ಓಕೆ. ಮೋದಿ ಶಾಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ ತೊಗರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲಡ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ